So, sir, how can we sign a peace accord? Why should we? Because clearly what they're saying is it's going to be a very violent election. And they're going to use the forces of coercion and intimidation to win the elections in Edon, whether we like it or not. That's the message.
Good afternoon, everyone. Kudos to the executive governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki. Obaseki have refused to sign peace accord when Abdul Salami and his team arrived at Edo State yesterday. He told them that the election is not going to be peaceful because there are proofs that APC have started violence and they want to rig Edo election through violence. And this is what I was saying in my video yesterday. You see, a lot of us, we always act through our emotion. I was telling them that, listen, someone like P2B Atiku, they are not telling their followers the truth because they are telling, oh, you people should come out and vote, go out and vote, as if they coming out to vote is going to translate to victory. Nigeria is not a normal country. So I want you to listen to this video while I come back to explain in details about the reason why Obaseki don't want a peace accord.
Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki says his party will not sign the peace accord scheduled for Thursday in Benin. Obaseki hosted former head of state and chairman of the National Peace Committee, Abdul Salami Abubakar, in Benin City. Obaseki cited the continued arrest of members of his party by security operatives as a reason for not signing the accord. He's also asking that they redeploy the police commissioner in Edo State and the resident electoral commissioner who has been allegedly linked to the FCT minister, Nyesom Wike.
Your Excellency, the purpose of the Peace Committee coming to Edo State is, I'm sure you must be aware, there is going to be a signing of peace accord between the gubernatorial candidates and the parties. That is to ensure that there is no mudslinging during the campaign, and then we accept the results as long as it is free and fair. And also, if there is any misgivings, the court should be there, but abide.
We've had situations where, from the Inspector General's office, there are armed gangs, policemen, who have come into Edo State to just invade, arrest, and take away PDP members. As we speak, there are about 10 in detention in Abuja without trial. And for me, my role as the chief security officer is being made nonsense of by the IG. Because the commission arrests, we heard somebody was arrested, the chairman was arrested. I called the commissioner. I said, please, I understand this has happened. Please look into it and let me know. He said, I'll come back to you, sir. And he just refused, he ignored me, didn't say anything. It was the next morning at 4 a.m. he moved that person to Abuja. And I said, speak their own. So, sir, how can we sign a peace accord? Why should we? Because clearly what they're saying is it's going to be a very violent election. And they're going to use the forces of coercion and intimidation to win the elections in Edon, whether we like it or not. That's the message. I am glad the IG is in town. We said no until everybody arrested in Edo is released or brought back to Edo to be tried for whatever offenses you claim they've committed. We have no confidence that the police is going to protect us.
Now, in a normal circumstances, someone will think that Obaseki is trying to sponsor violence. No, Obaseki is not trying to sponsor violence or to do anything violent. And let me tell you people, you see this country we are. Oh. If Obaseki signed a peace accord, you know what that means? Meaning he have signed an agreement that he is not going to be violent. APC then themselves, they are the ruling party. They will sponsor violence against Obaseki and he can't do anything. At the end, they say, oh, we signed a peace accord. It was talks. We don't know people who sent them and so on and so forth. So by all angles, we saw video yesterday how a policeman was campaigning for the APC in Edo State. And from all angles, Obaseki is doing the right thing. And I'm going to tell you categorically that Obaseki is doing the right thing because he now understands that this election, they're about to hijack it. Since the president said he's going to give Edo people to APC, Edo State to APC, and, Shaibu and Oshomonde in the picture, when they were quarreling, when Shaibu was quarreling with Obaseki, Shaibu went to Mwike, and they have planned everything down to take hold of Edo State. And look at it's going to happen. It's not from the Edo people. Edo people don't wish to vote for APC. APC will not win that election, but they are going to rig it. And they will declare APC winner. Obaseki knew what is happening. That was what I was saying in my previous video. People were cursing me because people don't understand Nigeria anymore. If you understand Nigeria, you will know that as far as these evil men are in power, your vote can never be counted. See, my mouth, there is no water in it. I'm not speaking French. Your vote, no one will count it. Nobody will count it. Because why I said that most of the political actors in Nigeria, that they are deceiving their followers is because I think at this point in time, they are supposed to be pushing for their electoral reforms. What they are doing in their own part, making sure that errors will be corrected. But they keep quiet. They are not making sure that errors will be corrected. They are not doing anything. The only thing they are doing is that they are telling people to go out and vote. Go out and vote. Go out and... They know that going out to vote is not going to translate to victory. It's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to help the matter out. Going out to vote is not going to help the matter out. So, Obaseki really understood what they did. They have already planned everything down. So, Edo people, if you want this election, if you want to resist the evil Kaba in APC, look at what happened in Imo State. Look at what happened in various parts of the country. That is what they want to do in Edo State now. Both Buhari tenure, Tinubu tenure, APC strategy is the same. And mind you, if they did not win through ballot, you people should prepare because they can use court to install anybody they want to install. So you people should be very, very careful because this is a matter of life and death in Edo State. APC want Edo State by all means. They are just trying by all means to help people who help them to rig next election. If Nigeria still exists, the 2027, who will help them to rig election. That is what they are just trying. And Edo State is a pinpoint. They want Edo State. But unfortunately, many people don't understand what is going on. Many political actors in Nigeria, they don't know what is going on. And they don't care to know. They don't even care to know. For them, it doesn't matter. Let them just come out and ask people, vote for me, vote for me. They thought that is the end. No, you must stand tall and fight the powers that be. These people are not playing. They are not smiling. All they want to do is to make sure that your election will be sabotaged. They are going to sponsor violence. Look at how many, they will arrest people. They will take them to Abuja. Anybody they arrest, they will take them to Abuja. They know that, oh, this is a PDP state. And when we leave them in the state, the governor might have influence. Then why are they not trying them? What crime have they committed? This is why I'm telling you people that this country must be divided. This country, all these things cannot continue like this. People should fight for their freedom. People should fight for their freedom. Defend yourself. Defend yourself because it is not going to be easy as usual. When you vote, defend yourself. Because it's not all about you voting and defending your vote too. They will shoot gun. You will see it. Is it not what APC are preparing? They will shoot gun. And many things will happen. So Obaseki, do not sign the peace accord. They are using it to deceive you. These are the peace accord they used to deceive during 2023 general election. After signing peace accord, MC, all those Tinubu boys, everything Tinubu told them, snatch it, grab it, and run away with it. They were snatching it, running away with it, stabbing people, doing all sort of things. You understand? But, it is sweat.